Hello Pisces, welcome to your monthly reading for August. Uh, this is a general reading. This may or may not resonate with everyone. Please take what works for you and leave out the rest. We will be looking at four different energies here. One is the overall energy for the month of August for you, followed by any challenges or blockages that may come across for you. Then we will look at any advice from guides or universe for you, and we'll finally look at the outcome for the month should you take the advice, and we'll close it off with the oracle card. Let's get started and dive into your energies. Let's look at your overall energy for the month of August, Pisces. Overall energy for the month of August for Pisces. Pisces, for you, the overall energy for this month is the Judgment. It's like a major awakening or change coming in. You will have a moment of epiphany, or suddenly something new will come across. This can be in any sphere depending upon what your situation is. Just to give you an example, it can be that you were stuck in a project at one place for a while, and suddenly you realize what the blocker or the challenge has been, and you find a solve to it, right? That is one example. At home, it can be that probably the family was in a deadlock situation regarding a decision, and suddenly you have a realization of proposing a solution which works for everyone. So something along those lines. We'll clarify this and see more about what this awakening is, but a major awakening awaits. In terms of your challenge, you have the Hangman. It's about looking at things from different perspective, and when this is in challenge position, it basically means that we are stuck and not looking at things from a new perspective or with an open mind. So you might want to open up and look at things from a newer perspective, or take others' opinions or perspective into account. Let's look at your advice for this month. Both these cards are major arcana, so this might be regarding some bigger or major changes in life for you. Okay, your advice is also a major arcana. We have the Chariot. The advice is to keep going forward, being true to what you are doing. It's also the card of as above, as below. So being fair is important, and it's also an energy which says that if you're on the right path, nothing can stop you, right? You will reach your goal. And with the star on the crown here, it also suggests that you will get your wishes. So we'll clarify this and see more about what this is about. A lot of major arcanas for you. Something big changing for you, Pisces, this month. Looks like a significant month for you. Let's pull a card for the outcome. Let's see what the month closes with. In your outcome, you have Eight of Wands. Eight of Wands is a lot of communication. Can be emails, messages. Generally, on a positive note, things will move very fast. This with Chariot is like things moving super fast, right? And with the Judgment there, this is all divine intervention in your life and things changing for good. And let's clarify and see what this Judgment card is about. Judgment is clarified by the Knight of Cups. So this is an awakening about some dream of yours. For those seeking a relationship, something will come in suddenly, and you would go through with it in terms of taking it to conclusion. Whatever your objective is in terms of getting married or moving in together, things can work out that way. Just be a little careful of not getting stuck in or stubborn in the way you want things. Be open. That's what the hangman is there for. For others, this is an opportunity and offer coming through, and it's something which suddenly pops out, right? And it might be something which you already have had a chance to look at in the past with the judgment card there, but say you were offered a job and at that time you did not want to relocate or move to that place, and hence you did not take it. Say that circles back to you today and now you are in a better place to take that call, or the same opportunity comes up but in the city you are in and you don't have to relocate. So it can be that kind of a thing for those not looking for love. For the hangman, we get the 7 of Wands. So here it's like you are in your bubble, right? Surrounded. In this 7 of Wands, it's more of protecting yourself from others more than anything. So the challenge is you are stuck somewhere, withdrawn within your bubble, Pisces, and you're not opening yourself up. And so even if this is an opportunity, say work related, until unless you open yourself up, you are being your own blockage, right? You are not letting it come through to you. That's the challenge that we need to work on. Be open and receptive at this point is what the message is. Let's look at the advice card, Chariot. Let's clarify the Chariot. For Chariot, we have death or rebirth. Oh, we have 2 cards. You also have the 9 of Cups. So you have the momentum and you are moving forward on the path of fulfilling your wishes, and it's going to bring a big new cycle, right? Close a cycle and bring a new cycle. Even with the judgment, it's a cycle closing and a fresh beginning, right? It's reawakening of things. So here, while you are on your path, be clear of what you're manifesting, because whatever you think of will come true. The Chariot doesn't stop, it kind of goes through and delivers, and whatever you're manifesting will come to fruition. And keep in mind that this is a transformative period for you, and while you are on the right path, the journey may not be very simple. You might have to put in effort and go through the transformation in the process to reach your goal. So the 8 of Wands is clarified by the 8 of Wands again. Universe is saying I meant what I said, but what I get a sense of is this is an energy of meeting success in whatever you started here, right? You end up finishing that fast, quick, at the pace you want and getting the results you're looking for. That's the overall energy that the month closes for you. A very positive, interesting reading. A lot of big changes coming in, a lot of opportunity, also a lot of potential to grow and transform for you. So Pisces, do take advantage of this month and enjoy what comes your way. Let's pull the oracle card to close the reading. Okay, too many. Let me shuffle again. Okay, we have the card. We have Lady Portia. Divine order. Do what you feel is right. An important lesson is unfolding. So yes, there is a lot of divine intervention, and you need to take the things that come your way, and you will get to know what is right for you or not with the Judgment card at the right time. And be open to the new lessons here in your advice. And that's all I have for you, Pisces, today. Hope this helped. Do let me know how you like the reading in the comments below. Do like or subscribe if you would want to see more readings from me. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you. Bye bye.